Coming here, I didn't really know what to expect. This was my first time doing something like this. And I thought it was just gonna be like, let's sit down, let's talk about numbers, let's talk about strategy, which they gave more than I ever expected, even on the first day. But in addition to that, there was really like setting the mindset and skills on how you can set your focus and be laser focused towards your goal, and how to stay on track with those things, which is something that I would have never expected and I've never heard of in this type of seminar before. So I think not only am I going to come away with real strategies and real actionable information, I'm also going to have the motivation that I was looking for to just watching their story and seeing what they overcame. It was so huge to me and impactful that it makes me believe that I can truly get it done too. I'm sure there are some wealthy investors and developers here. I'm not one of them. For me, any investment into my business is a big consideration. So making this investment, naturally you have this worry, am I going to get the value back out of that investment? And I would say if you're in that boat and you're thinking that, just go for it. I mean, just on the first day alone, the tools that I learned and even the connections that I made within the room have already made that value come back to me, and we're not even scratching the surface yet. So I would say, if you're feeling the way that I did as a small-time investor, someone who's just trying to get their head start, and you're worried, am I going to get my value out of it? You're going to get your value out of this, trust me. One of the biggest things that was impactful to me was they're talking about the analogy of the bucket of crabs pulling you down. And it's like, for me by myself, I don't have a lot of people in my sphere, and when I share with my ideas, they're like, well, I don't know, maybe you're being too risky with that. Maybe you should consider starting smaller like this. And Seth and Tori were just like, dream big, go for it. Like, don't let those people who they're down here and they're trying to keep you from getting out of that bucket, don't let them keep you from achieving your dreams. And that was something that I needed to hear and needed to have that confidence to go forward.